Hello and welcome back, my dear students. I hope you and your family will be safe and fit at your home. So, students, today I am here to explain and teach you our remaining part of Anybody Can Do Yoga. Part 1. You learn about Tadasana, Vrikshasana, and Trikonasana. I hope you all are doing great this asana. And students, I want to suggest you to tell your parents do yoga with us, and grandparents also do meditation and some of yoga asana. That's why our topic name is Anybody Can Do Yoga. Let's begin with part 2. First asana, Virbhadrasana. Virbhadrasana is also known as the warrior pose. For this asana, stand straight with your legs by keeping distance 3 to 4 feet between each other. Inhale and raise the both hands parallel to the ground. While exhaling, slowly turn your right foot at 90 degrees to the right. Slowly bend your right knee. Keep in mind that the right thigh should be parallel to the ground. Stay in this position for some time. Deep breathly for 6 to 7 times. After this, come to your original standing position and breathe normally. And perform the same step for left leg by turning your head to left. Repeat this cycle for 4 to 5 times. Now, I will talk about benefits of Virbhadrasana. Virbhadrasana gives flexibility to the entire body and give strength to the legs, arm, lower back and tone your lower body. Strengthening the abdominal organ. It's improve blood circulation throughout the body. It's relieve back pain and increase stamina and improve balance in the body. Next asana is Bhujangasana. It's also called Cobra pose. For this asana, lie face down on the floor. Press into the floor with both hands. Be sure to keep your elbow close to your body. Pull your shoulder slightly back down and away from your ears. Engage your abs by drawing your belly button towards your spine. Lift into a low cobra pose by using your back and abdominal muscle. To bend your back backward. Hold the pose 4 to 5 comfortable breaths. Push yourself a little higher with each exhale. Remember that proper form is more important than a deep stretch. Now we will talk about benefits of Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana stretch muscle in the shoulder, chest and abdominal. It's decrease stiffness of the lower back. It's give strength to the arm and shoulder and increase your flexibility. It's stimulate organs in the abdominal like kidney. It's improve circulation of the blood and oxygen, especially throughout the spinal. Bhujangasana improve digestion and give strength to the spine. Let's move to the next asana, Balasana. It's also called child pose. To start the asana, first sit on knees with buttocks touching on your heels. Place your hand on thighs and palm down. While exhaling, slowly bring chest between your knees and swing your hands forward. Breathe gently and hold the position for 2 to 3 minutes. After this, inhale slowly and return to starting pose. Repeat this asana 5 to 10 times. Now, benefit of Balasana: stretch and strength muscle of hip, thighs and ankle. Also help to relieve our stress and fatigue. Balasana increases blood circulation and help to cure back pain. Alright students, that is all for today. See you in next video, part 3 of Anybody Can Do Yoga. For that time, stay home, stay safe and stay fit. Over and out.